No guys, I'm not lying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new video and I hope you guys are so excited. Hey, I am doing a review on two different brands. So one of them open the package, this is what it looks like. It has a little bit of information on the product. It's the new Rouge Signature Matte Colored Ink lipsticks. So the key benefits of these lipsticks are that they're ultra lightweight, feel for bare lip sensation, vibrant dyes and high pigments, lasting matte finish that's ultra comfortable, designed with a precision applicator to shape and line your lips with precise and perfectly applied lip every single time. So this is what this comes to. They sent me 3 colors. Packaging. So they sent me 3 colors. First I'll start with the nude, which is 416 Create. This is the first color in 416 Create. It's like a really light nude color. The next color is like a more pinkish mauve color, and this one is 414 Rule. So that's this color. And lastly, the one that is I Am Worth It. So we're gonna get into how well these lipsticks work. The first one that I'll be starting with is 416 Create. Now I just got this mirror for Christmas, so I'll be using it too. I got this during my white elephant steal with my family. Thank you to D for buying it, and my grandma who stole it from her for me. Like, my grandma's so clutch. So look, boom, hey. So this is what the applicator looks like. Now I'm just gonna zoom in on myself. So I did have Vaseline on. From the feel of it, it has a very good smell. It feels really soft. At first it had a feel of like rubbing alcohol. So this is this color. Very nude. I think they are buildable, so I'm probably gonna go in. It's very watery. With another one, it's more of a gloss, so I want to give it time to mattify, and once it gets matte I'll be right back. But this is it. Okay, so I'm back. The lipstick, of course, I mean this is like the perfect nude for me, but I would probably have to wear this with a lip liner. Now I do agree that it's very lightweight. it does transfer a bit, so I'm not sure if it's because it's not dry yet. I've already left it on for about 3 minutes, so I would assume that if it's a matte lipstick it'd be dry by now. But let's do a kiss test. Okay, so if you can see it right here, and it does feel very lightweight. It feels very moisturizing. I'm actually gonna rub this into my hand. It feels very moisturizing, and this is what it would look like on the skin, because I didn't do it previously. It's a beautiful color, beautiful. I'm gonna go on to the next color. What I'm doing to wipe these off, I'm using these that I got at Fashion Nova, these aloe vera wipes. At first they kind of smell funny. I'm using these as my makeup remover for this video. I think that's why it's so dark. I'm gonna wipe this one off. So the next color that I am going to go into is 414 Rule, and I'm gonna swatch that one first. Oh, this is beautiful. Next to the other one, I think this is more of a nude for me. So this color right here, this is nude. So this is Rule. So I really like how this color looks on me. It looks more nude than the other one. This one is a bit darker than the other one, which for me is like the perfect nude. Ooh, girl, check you out. But they're very lightweight, they're very creamy, they're easy to apply. In the tube, it kind of looks a little liquidy if you shake it, but I think that's why you gotta shake them before using. And the packaging is very simple. It's not extreme. The names are easy to read. So I really like this packaging. How much is it? You get 0.23 fluid ounces in this. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. Okay, so similar to the other one, I'm gonna do a kiss test and see how we feel about it. So this one still kind of left a mark. I've had this one on for about 5 minutes. So the last one of these colors that I choose, I'm actually gonna wear it for the rest of the day and see how it either transfers or if it stays put. But this one, let me tell you, this is my color. I might wear this one for the rest of the day. Lastly, we have the one that is being advertised for, which is 426. I am worth it. This, oh my god, y'all know I'm a sucker for a red. I love red lipsticks. Like, if you look at my collection, I might do a video. Comment down below if you want to see a video of all of my liquid lipsticks. So this one, I'll just do a swatch. Next to the others. OMG, sis. Do you see that? Sis. Oh my god. Wow. It is a statement color. Like, I have a red similar to this, but it's not like this in your face red. Like, this red, oh my god. Like, I can't even describe how much I like this red. Like, it's making, first of all, making my teeth look so white, and it's actually drying faster than the other ones. See, so these are the 3 These products, from my first impression of this brand, is really good. Like, I never would have thought that I'd get the opportunity to like test out products for brands, especially big brands that I personally like use. Like, for me, for starting YouTuber, this is a really big deal because I've never gotten like anything like this in the mail. So for someone like L'Oreal to like send me these 3 lipsticks and have me review them complimentary and for free, that was like, oh. Overall, L'Oreal, I love these lips. They do take a while to become matte, so don't go smacking your lips around unless you're wearing the red one, because I feel like it's pretty much already dry. I mean, it's not fully dry, but I feel like it's pretty much dry. So don't go smacking your lips or like, you know, trying to kiss things or trying to kiss your husband or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whoever. Wait 5 minutes after you apply, then you could do a kiss test and see if it's, you know, it works for you or if it's fully matte. Let's see how long it lasts with the color payoff. I really love these lipsticks. Like, they're very moisturizing, which for me, I think this is the type of matte lipstick that I should be using instead of the really drying ones, even though you do have to probably keep reapplying, which we'll test out later. I feel like they work very well. And me, God, I'm still stuck on this friggin' lip. Influenster, thank you. I give you 2 thumbs up. I can't wait to keep receiving packages from Influenster and testing out more products for you guys. Let me know in the description box down below what else you would like for me to try. Hey guys, so I know I'm a little late with the rest of this video because as you've seen in the first part, my hair was straight, now my hair is curly. But I'm actually gonna go out today and run some errands, and I'm actually wearing the lipstick in Rule from the L'Oreal's new lip collection. So I just want to see how it wears throughout the day. This is what it looks like right now, and I'll see how it wears throughout the day, how many times I have to apply it, and every time that I have to apply it, I'll just record it for you guys just so that you could see what it looks like. I'm actually drinking coffee right now, so I'll see if it stains and all of that jazz, just so that you guys can get the full experience of how these lipsticks wear off. I absolutely love this color and I am worth it. The other color is a little bit too nude for me, but I also love it to wear with other colors. But this is the lipstick right now, and later on I'll be back with how I have to apply it, or whether or not I have to apply it, or if it transfers. Love you guys. So I'm back in my car. This is my lipstick after about 2 hours. It's dry. My coffee has a little tiny bit of lipstick there, but nothing that I have to complain about. But this is it after 2 hours. I'm gonna keep it on for longer and see if I have to reapply. Okay, so it's 8:45 and it's the end of my day. There's no more lipstick left. I just have like the lining on the edges, but other than that, I'd have to reapply. But I'm not going to because I'm already home. And after earlier's meal, I ended up having a burger, and that's where most of my lipstick came off. So I want to say that this lipstick lasted a good like 5 to 6 hours. Very lightweight. So if you're interested in purchasing it, go check out L'Oreal. They're very cute, but a lot of different colors. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, don't forget to tune in for the next video. Bye. I'm way too fly, shine in the night.